Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing access to all 8 seasons, choose a legal streaming service or the complete box set. Once done, pick release order, Season 1 through Season 8, because it preserves narrative reveals and character arcs. Make a viewing plan, block 1 to 3 episodes per sitting so you absorb plot and world building, include space for notes. Finally, prepare subtitles and audio preferences before hitting play so you don't interrupt momentum once episode. You now move through the complex middle. Pay attention to character trajectories and political setups. That's where payoffs are seeded. As you watch, pause to note who's allied with whom and mark episodes that introduce many players. Once you notice recurring motifs or prop setups, make mental links. They matter later. If you get lost, consult a brief recap between episodes rather than searching wide, because stray searches spoil upcoming twists. Keep pacing steady and intentional. You reach the finale. Watch the last season in close succession to keep momentum and emotional continuity, because resolution depends on accumulated context. Once done, give yourself a short break, then revisit standout episodes or explore related series to deepen understanding of lore. If playback problems arise, immediately clear app cache, test a different device, and lower streaming quality to stabilize. And if audio or subtitle timing is off, toggle those settings. That usually resolves sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.